I'm Vanessa.
I'm Malika.
And welcome back to our channel.
So today we're doing another snack box, but we're doing it from a different company. We're doing it from Universal Yums. And I believe it's a French box.
Yes.
We've been wanting to try snacks from France for like a while now.
But we couldn't find it from Snack Crate. So
yeah. It was like sold out, so.
We got it over here.
Hopefully they got some good options. So I'm really excited.
Right?
Oh my god.
And it got
vinegar.
I love vinegar. Ooh, this is a little different. I like it. Okay. Does it have?
You said I was excited.
I like reading stuff like this. Okay.
I'm excited.
We got more chips. You know I like my chips.
If you can't tell, we just filmed another snack box. We're in the same clothes. Just want to let y'all know.
Yeah.
We didn't wear the same clothes a week in a row.
Okay. You excited?
Yes, I
am. Okay.
All right.
You can pick first.
This bad boy.
I'm gonna pick that. I love vinegar. I love something vinegar.
Here y'all see. Wee. Ooh. I don't know what they're saying. What's on the more France? It's like we're traveling to Greece and France this week.
I know.
Are you gonna take one?
Yeah. I love like those
cheese smell.
Those Ruffles chips.
Yeah, it smells like cheese.
And I love cheese. Oh, it's like a Parmesan.
Parmesan.
Data defense.
That was trying to read all
Tara. Cheers. She's like an old cheese, right?
It is good.
Oh my god.
We're fans already.
Yep. Maybe. I give this a 9. I love the chips.
I agree. 9. Here. Move on.
You know what I mean?
That was a good start.
This one. Vinegar. Got my vinegar chips. Yeah. Oh yes, me likey.
Ready? Cheers.
It's not like too much vinegar.
Yeah,
in
it's
it.
perfect.
You know what I mean? It's like too, yeah. Not powerful. I hate sometimes when you have it, it be so strong.
Well, like one piece will be really strong. I like that.
I think that was
9.
8 too. 8, I mean. I think that was 9, right? Oh, 8.
Okay. Let's go for the combos knockoff.
Ooh,
Sweet
cheese.
fromage.
They like cheese.
Of course.
Yeah.
Eat cheese and wine and all that.
Well, this is a big thing. Look at this.
Wonder what cheese is in it.
I know what type, right? I'm a cheese girl too. I love cheese.
Oh wait, never mind. I lied. It's like the
oh, those, yeah, when you put your fingers, those little finger things.
or something.
Oh, I forgot the name.
Okay.
Well, I like the
Why is
smell.
it different though? It looks much better in the.
I know. Look like these combos, but
Never mind. Take back. Cheers. Here's like it. What's it called?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The ones you put on your finger, like you got nails.
What's the name of it now?
I think corn chips too. The Fritos.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to 8.
I guess to 8. Yes. It's just, I'm about to finish the fair.
Honestly, we'll watch a movie after this.
Yep. This is candy. What is this?
Oh, the Yum Yum bag. Oh, is it their bag?
You know, I'll skip to that one. I'm gonna try this one.
Oh,
just to get the crackers off the way, then eat sweets.
This is so good. I want. This is big. It's a big boy, and I want it.
Yes. We eating this one. It's like a cracker. It's pure butter biscuits.
Nice.
Okay.
Let me simple.
I like how it's just like so old school. Like it's just
yeah.
like I like old stuff.
Sometimes for me. I'm a little both.
Ooh, this looks so nice. Look at it.
Fancy. Yo, I swear.
I don't got time for this, guys.
Did we just say it broken?
The other half? Here you go, the other half.
This smells like butter. It smells like something else.
Yes, it does. Oh my god.
No,
it
it smells like
smells.
something else.
You know how like when mom makes that butter?
But the brown butter.
Yeah, that's what it tastes.
Yeah.
It smells like. I mean.
Yo, her hero.
Oh my god,
Like a
it
cinnamon.
smells so good.
Like a cinnamon butter.
Yes, like caramel butter.
Sure.
That's what it smells like. Oh,
Ready? Do cheers? Guess we did it.
Fuck up.
This
This is a 9 for me. You know, I think that box you always give the cake.
the blue one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The Dutch cookies.
I give it a 9.
8.5.
Well, I'm happy today. These snacks are making me so happy. I was looking at it, sorry.
The truffle?
You sure you want to eat
Wait,
truffle
I don't want to truffle it out.
No, I think you eat this one.
This? Wait, I should eat this one. Actually, no.
No.
Oh, wait.
Maybe we should eat that because then we go back to. Oh, no, man.
Sea salt. Ooh, dark chocolate. The package is beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful. Yes.
Little France. You don't want to go there so bad. Tell me about it. Oh my gosh. Whee! Chocolate factory. Look at the shine.
Yes.
Let's hope you find a reward.
I'm so happy.
We have the golden ticket.
Now we got a silver ticket.
For silver girls.
Yes.
Ooh. There you go. Broke my heart. Cheers. Kind of the other one we had. Oh my god, I just swallowed it.
Really?
With a little drunk.
This is bomb. And I'm not a dark chocolate person, but this is bomb. The sea salt thing on it, it makes it more
Sweet.
rich. Oh, I give this an 8. 8.5.
I was saying, mmm,
So good.
8.5. No, 9.
9.
This
Wow.
is good for a dark chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
This is dark chocolate I kind of want.
Mm-hmm.
With some sea salt.
This is bomb. Oh my god.
I'm not even man.
Mm.
Wow. France, you know what y'all doing.
Mm-hmm. Oui.
Oh. Sorry. Like,
So good.
like y'all offending me. Mmm.
Yo, this was really good.
This is so far. I want jinx it from now on, but like so far like the best box we had.
So far, nothing I did not like.
So far we have a couple more left, but
Wow.
this is a good box.
Try this one next. Say the, like those truffles.
Mm-hmm.
This I don't know if I'm gonna like it though.
Is
This
that
I
a
don't
fruit
know.
today?
Yeah, it's like a mini roll. It has raspberry. I'm not really a fan of raspberry. I don't know if you guys see it. Hopefully. Okay.
Is that a nougat?
Looks like it. Actually smells good though. That's how it looks, guys.
I thought it was gonna be like
You know those things? Yeah, that's what it looks like though.
a big fruit snack, but it's not. Mmm.
It actually smells good. It smells familiar, like I had this before. Ready?
Cheers. Yeah, like a regular nougat.
I like it.
I'm giving it 7.
You can't you not say the same that I'm saying. 7-2 for me.
I like it. Like I said, this box is.
I was scared that I wasn't gonna like it.
This company knows what they're doing. They pick the best ones.
But
Okay.
the Korean snack too we did, it was good too.
Yeah, it was, but some of it was just like.
Probably like 2 or 3 things that wasn't good.
So I'm not sure. I'm not sure if we should get this one because it seems like it's not French.
It had like different types. That's what it looks like, right?
You know the phrase "good things come in small packages." The Yum Pack is that phrase embodied. I mean, it better be. Alright, we're gonna try this, and then we'll try that.
Okay.
I don't have all the truffles for last. Oh, oh no! Oh, I'm gonna find that one too. Oh yes, baby. Oh wait, that's on. Oh, there's so much different stuff. Katachi Key. Cola? I don't know about that. Okay, try this one.
Oh, it looks like what's it called? The Jolly Ranchers. That's what it looks like.
Okay, you just switching your candy?
No, I'm gonna eat this one.
Oh, we already had these ones though. Alright, I'm trying the red one.
I saw the red one then. Okay.
At least one of them.
Ooh. Oh, it's like
Wait, this color looks familiar.
yeah.
I don't like those snacks.
Oh, sorry, we didn't show you guys what happened. This one right here.
Just try one of them.
Yeah, it's like different stuff in it.
Okay.
Cheers. Ooh. Oh, it has
Whoa.
Coca-Cola in it.
I told it's just a cola. That's not bad. It's interesting.
Oh.
It's sour. Really sour.
Oh, I like it.
That's unique.
Oh my god. This is sour.
It's a good sour though. That first bite is like you taste the cola and after you just taste sour.
What about the watery? Like juicy. My god.
I'm good.
I could have more of that. You know me, I love sour candy. I give it a 10. And I don't give nothing 10 really.
I give it a 9.
Okay, I give it a 10 because the sourness what I like.
It had
I
no
thought
flavor.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was gonna be like
Like nasty, like what the heck is this?
yeah, because the way the color was on the outside.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like really sweet, like a toffee type.
Yeah.
Thing.
I didn't think it had a liquid inside, so I bit it and I'm like, what is this? And I tasted it and I'm like,
That was good. Y'all definitely should get that if you want. It's like little snacks.
that was good. Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Okay.
I give the score right 9.
Yeah. We're gonna try this one next. Okay.
This is a very fun day.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm done. I'll just open a little bit.
Well, you better be good, okay? Yeah. Oh, it's San Francisco.
It smells good. Cheers. It's not gonna be really hard, but it's not.
It's like a gum taste.
Oh, this is good.
Yo!
Oh, nine.
Why is everything good?
Yo, I'm moving to France, guys.
I'm telling you, every little thing that we got is good.
Oh my god.
And we look at start thinking like, what is this? Like, it's good.
Yes. No, I thought it was gonna be good too, the way it looked.
No, I thought it was gonna be like one of those like marshmallowy type things.
Oh yeah, it did look like that, but I was like, I don't think it's gonna be good because it.
Alright, the best, hopefully the best too, because we saved it for last for a reason.
Yes. I thought you were gonna get. I knew it. I knew it. Just because it's big.
No, I don't want this one. I don't want this for last because the powder.
Oh.
What's that powder too? This little cute package, like the blue. Oh, so excited.
Me too.
Yo, this is hard. Why is it so thick?
They don't want us to open it, guys.
It's like nabbish. Ooh.
Wow. Powder on it.
Wow.
Don't lose it. it looks.
Oh, it smells fudgy.
Yes. Woo,
Oh my
cheers. I'm not even ready.
I'm so happy.
You know what it's like?
Don't even eat it.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. My God.
My body's just like,
10.
yo. My body. Though I really have goosebumps. Like, oh yeah, you can't see it, but look. Can you see it?
Mm.
Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at it. This is so good. I give this a 10 too.
Hi. Wow.
Oh my god.
This is like
The way it just melts in your mouth.
quality chocolate. It has a softness to it. Oh God.
I'm so happy I can just cry.
Give me a plane ticket.
Hmm?
Give me a plane ticket.
And the last one we're gonna try is the one.
It's nice and pretty.
Yeah, I like the box. They give us more options too. More, I mean, they had a feeling that we like something like truffles.
It's like, y'all, we know y'all like truffles.
Maybe they just know that people like this kind of candy. It comes in a pretty bag.
Yo, they're fancy.
That's French, but yeah. Oh, we have a hard time. It's the same thing.
Is it?
It looks like the same thing. Maybe it's just a different flavor of it.
Maybe just how they make truffles.
Yeah. Cheers, cheers.
It's different. It's more dark. More of a dark chocolate.
It had the, I like that one better.
Mm-hmm.
It has an almond flavor on it, but I just want to eat.
Hold on, give me a second. I have to say I'm disappointed because this was at that time. I have very bitter taste.
That's the almond flavor on it. I don't know what that. It has to be like a nutty flavor. No?
It's bitter. The coating.
I don't know, that was good. I'm just disappointed I didn't get a drink for any of them.
Breakfast chips, now it's like, it has like a fruity taste. Like a cherry taste.
Yeah, it does actually.
I give that one an 8.
We've been given the same numbers.
I mean, yeah, it has like a cherry taste, which is not what it says in the box.
I'm trying to read what it says, but it says the bitterness of the cocoa surface and the creamy inside is the finale.
And I said it was bitter. Tell me no.
Combination, yeah, I know. But I like it.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah.
I like it. So far this is like the box that we like everything.
Yeah, I would 100% recommend this box to anyone that wants to try any snacks from any country, honestly.
Yeah, no.
It's that good. Like every little thing that we got was
perfect.
chef's kiss.
Oh my goodness. Like there was not a single, and everything was like 8 and up.
Honest, we only had like 1.7.
Where? Which one was 7?
And we I had a 1.7.
I had all 8, I think.
I had like, yeah.
Did I have a 7? No, I think I said everything 7. Did I say everything 7? I don't remember, but anyways, this is by far the best box that I had.
Honestly, it's like the best snacks I've had in a really long time.
Wow.
The chocolates were great. Even the simple ones were great. The dark chocolate was great. Even
Yeah.
just dark chocolate and sea salt. But that was great.
It's just that I don't like dark chocolate and it's so good.
Yeah, that's how you know it's good.
Wow. I'm amazed, guys. I'm happy. Today I'm going to sleep great because that was really good. You know,
I'm just like in awe. I'm just like, wow.
I know. Well.
Oh, wait. Our favorites?
Oh.
10.
Yes. That was
This is the holy grail Please get this. Do yourself a favor and get it.
And my favorite chip was this one.
100%.
The flavor of it is really good. Like
it's like different cheese. Like different cheese.
Look like
it's
like
we're
a,
used to.
Yeah, look like those old
Aged,
cheese. Like
like
they really
aged cheese,
aged cheese.
We get it.
Like it's really
aged.
You
Like
guys
even like this, like this little like they said in the package. Small things come like big things come in small packages. They were lying.
Yo, that was really good. That Coca-Cola was good.
Nice, especially for like sour stuff. Get this.
It says Coca-Cola. Cola.
Colt.
Wow.
Okay.
All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching and like and subscribe below.
Wait, one more thing. But if you're from France, you are lucky as hell.
Yes, because one thing I wanted to try was the macaroons, though.
Yeah.
But
I feel like it wouldn't stand.
Yeah.
The shipping.
But I don't care. I loved it. Everything in here. But all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below.
And leave us a comment if you want to see on our channel.
All right, guys. Thank you.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.